Hello there, I'm Julia teacher. Let's play a small game with me, a sound game. අපි ඉගෙන ගමු අද game එකක් එක්ක, sound game එකක්. So, we have two letters, okay? Two letters and it is S and H. S and H. S and H makes one sound together. අපි අලුත් sound එකක් හදනවා. S and H එකත් එක්ක. So, what do we say for that? Get your finger out. Finger. And now you put it over your tiny nose. And what do you say? Shh. Got the? Shh. Yes, that is the sound. Easy, right? So, we can have the word. Let me think. I know. Ship. Shh. Ip. Shh. Ip. Ship. Ship. Okay. What's a ship? මොකද ship එකක් කියන්නේ? Nevak. A big ship. Another word I would say is, let's go with shut. Shut the door. Shh. T. Shh. T. So what's the word? Shut. Dora wahanna. Okay? You can say close the door, but we also say shut. Shh. T. So can you hear the sh sound? How can you remember the sh sound? කොහොමද කියන්නේ? Shh. If you like more videos like this, come to my channel. Bye.